Building your brand's influence is key to attracting your audience, but also to getting them to know, like, trust, and believe in you. So here are 9 ways that you can make that happen. Firstly, think about defining your vision and where you want your brand to be in the future. Secondly, know your audience, their preferences, their interests, and their pain points, and tailor your messaging, content, and experiences accordingly. Next is to consistently deliver value by providing educational content and solving problems. Go the extra mile and deliver free value so you gain trust, loyalty, and become a go-to resource. Next is to leverage your social media platforms because, as you know, they are powerful tools for brand influence. Then you should consider how you can collaborate and network to expand your reach and expose your brand to new audiences. Think about how you can establish thought leadership by sharing your knowledge through blogs and podcasts or speaking engagements. Next, make sure you also engage with feedback. Listen, respond, and adapt based on what your audience are telling you. Another way is to create memorable experiences that leave a lasting impression. Focus on every touch point from your website to customer service. Finally, think about how you measure and adapt by using analytical tools to identify what's working and what needs improvement. Building your brand's influence takes time and dedication and a genuine passion for your audience. So stay true to what you want your brand to be known for and consistently deliver value. If you want to learn more about how to create amazing content that will attract your audience and build your influence, go to my YouTube channel and go to my personal brand impact series playlist to watch episode 10 for 10 ideas on how you can use content to do exactly that. Share your success stories in the comments below and feel free to send me a DM if you need any help with building your personal brand profile online.